Psalm 142. I cry out to the Lord with my voice. With my voice to the Lord, I make my supplication. I pour out my complaint before him. I declare before him my trouble. When my spirit was overwhelmed within me, then you knew my path, in the way in which I walk. They have secretly set a snare for me. Look on my right hand and see, for there's no one who acknowledges me. Refuge has failed me, and no one cares for my soul. I cried out to the Lord. I cried out to you, O Lord. I said, you are my refuge, my portion in the land of the living. Attend to my cry, for I am brought very low. Deliver me from my persecutors, for they are stronger than I. Bring my soul out of prison, that I may praise your name. The righteous have surrounded me, but you shall deal bountifully with me. Psalm 141. Lord, I cry out to you. Make haste to me. Give ear to my voice when I cry out to you. Let my praise be set before you as incense, the lifting up of my hands as the evening sacrifice. Set a guard, O Lord, over my mouth, and keep watch over the door of my lips. Do not incline my heart to any evil thing, to practice wicked works. With men who work iniquity, and do not let me eat of their delicacies. Let the righteous strike me. It shall be a kindness, and let him reprove me, or let her reprove me. It shall be an excellent oil, and let my head not refuse it. For still my prayer is against the deeds of the wicked, their judges overthrown by the sides of the cliff. And they hear my words, for they are sweet. Our bones are scattered at the mouth of the grave, and when one plows, as one plows and breaks up the earth. But my eyes are on you, O God, the Lord. In you I take refuge. Do not leave my soul destitute. Keep me from the snares which they have laid for me, and from the traps of the workers of iniquity. Let the wicked fall into their own nets while I escape safely. Psalms 140. Deliver me, O Lord, from evil men or women. Preserve me from violent men, or preserve me from violent women, who plan evil things in their hearts, and they continually gather together for war. They sharpen their tongues like a serpent, and the poison of asps is under their lips. Keep me, O Lord, from the hands of the wicked. Preserve me from violent men, who have purpose to take my steps, to make my steps stumble. The proud have hidden a snare for me, and cords. They have spread a net by the wayside. They have set traps for me. I said to the Lord, you are my God. Hear the voice of my supplication, O Lord. O Lord, my God, the strength of all my salvation, you have covered my head in the day of battle. Do not grant, O Lord, the desires of the wicked, and do not further his wicked schemes, lest they be exalted. As for the head of those who surround me, let the evil of their lips cover them. Let burning coals fall upon them, and let them be cast into the fire, into the deep pit, that they rise not up again. And let not a slanderer be established in the earth, and let evil hunt the violent man to overthrow him. I know that the Lord will maintain the cause of the afflicted, and justice for the poor. Surely the righteous shall give thanks to your name, and the upright shall dwell in your presence.